Hey everyone, let's be real for a second. Trying to manage your money can feel completely overwhelming, and it doesn't help that everyone, your uncle, that guy on the internet, is giving you advice that totally contradicts the last thing you heard. Well, what if I told you that a lot of that so-called good advice is either outdated, oversimplified, or just a flat-out myth, and following it can actually hold you back? Today we're breaking 5 of these financial rules in under 7 minutes. My goal is to simplify your money life and save you from some common traps. Let's get into it. Okay, rule number 1 to break. Skip your daily latte and avocado toast to become a millionaire. Now look, being mindful with your money is great, but this advice is terrible because it uses what's called a scarcity mindset. It makes you feel guilty for a $5 coffee while you might be bleeding $300 a month on a car payment that's too high for your budget. It's like using a Band-Aid on a scraped knee when you have a broken arm. You're focused on the little drops, but you're missing the giant hole in the hull. Think about the 80-20 rule. In your budget, roughly 80% of your potential savings come from just 20% of your expenses, your big, fixed costs like rent, car payments, and insurance. So the fix isn't to micromanage your joy, it's to macro-manage your life. Do one financial review of your big monthly bills. Could you refinance your car? Negotiate your insurance. That 1 hour of work could save you more than skipping coffee for a whole year. Rule number 2, that's a total lie. You need to carry a small balance on your credit card and pay interest to build your credit. Let me be absolutely clear. This is false. You do not need to pay a single cent in interest to build a perfect 850 credit score. This myth only makes the banks richer at your expense. Here's what actually matters: your payment history, so paying on time, and your credit utilization, which means using less than 30% of your available credit. That's it. The bureaus don't care if you pay interest. So here's the golden rule. Use your card for your normal purchases. Let the monthly statement generate. Then, pay off the entire statement balance by the due date. You show you're responsible and you pay 0 interest. It's that simple. Set up autopay and never think about this again. Bad rule number 3. You're throwing money away on rent. Buying a house is always the better financial move. This is dangerous because it ignores reality. When you rent, that rent is the maximum you pay for housing each month. When you own, your mortgage is the minimum. A new roof. A broken water heater? That's all on you, and it's thousands of dollars. There's a great rule of thumb called the 5% rule. It estimates that owning a home costs about 5% of its value per year when you add up mortgage interest, property taxes, maintenance, and insurance.